Can you imagine managing a business or running an operation with making a maximum rate of 3.4 defects per a million opportunities for defects? This is like craziness. Many of you might have thought that this is impossible, right? Well, let me tell you that this is not impossible at all. In fact, a lot of companies are getting this result after applying the Lean Six Sigma model. So, if you are a quality manager, an operation manager, a quality system auditor, a quality engineer, or an organizational leader, you would definitely be interested to know more about today's topic. Hello, and welcome to a new episode of the Agile Knowledge Series. Quality management helps companies improve their products' reliability, durability, and performance. These factors help differentiate a business from its competitors. Better products equals happier customers and higher revenue. Six Sigma is an organization-wide strategy and methodology for process improvement that focuses on a continual improvement culture. Lean management is a philosophy that focuses on identifying and eliminating waste in production processes and activities. It strives to achieve more with less. It also aims at creating products and services that are of high value and quality. Now, Lean Six Sigma represents a management approach for driving innovative processes inside a company to achieve superior results. It involves a practical analysis based on facts, aiming the innovation and growth, not only the efficiency of processes. It is a long-term process of gradual and continuous improvement. One of the used tools in Lean Six Sigma is the Poka Yoke, a Japanese term that means mistake proofing. The idea is to design products and processes that are so easy to use and difficult to break. Another tool used in Lean Six Sigma is value stream mapping, which is a technique for analyzing the flow of materials, information, and money through a system. It can be applied to any process that involves more than one step, such as manufacturing, distribution, or service delivery. I hope that you find this information useful. If you want to know more about Lean Six Sigma, Poka Yoke, and value stream mapping, follow the link below to enroll in our Lean Six Sigma Lean Manufacturing with Poka Yoke course. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Stay tuned. See you next week with a new topic and new episode.